Hey everyone, Vince here. Welcome to my Royal Dice Party review. Can we earn hundreds of dollars by rolling some dice on an application? That's exactly what we're going to find out. Strap yourselves in, it's going to be a bumpy ride. We're on the road to 100k subscribers, by the way, so thank you so much for your support. Let's kick this off. So this is what Royal Dice Party looks like on the Google Play Store. It's sitting on over 500,000 downloads, everyone. I have no idea what to expect with this one, guys, okay? I'm assuming we're going to get blown away with the stuff we're going to see. I think it's really going to be a fun episode today. So this is what you're greeted to when you first turn on Royal Dice Party. Instantly, we can win an iWatch, everyone, worth $449. All you need to do is check in 3 days in a row, and then you can win this watch, apparently. Let me tap sign in now. By the way, they can't even spell sign properly, just an FYI. We are off to a ripping start. Alright, now that we're signed in, we can now actually play the application. Top of the screen, you have your PayPal currency. To the right of that, we have the giveaway area, a lucky spin wheel, and of course the iWatch. To the left of that, the top of the screen, we have the in-game currency. We then have the settings, some sort of safe, and PayPal cash out area. It seems we also have some sort of jackpot at the top of the screen as well. We then, of course, have the dice creatures themselves. I mean, it's pretty weird they have these dice built into the top of their heads. And at the bottom of the screen, we have the roll feature. Now, this has a limit of 10 rolls, it looks like, at a time. It's a pretty straightforward setup, and I have to say, it does look pretty neat, which is nice to see. Let's check out the giveaway area in the right side of the screen. So here's one of these situations where we're gifted a whole bunch of these free giveaways, right? But the thing is, you need to collect the puzzle pieces. Now, I'll give this app some credit, there are a lot of different items here. Where it goes wrong though, in my opinion, is that the puzzle piece system is a complete joke. Not just for this application, but for all money-making applications in general, okay? Every single one I've seen has been a complete waste of time. Think about it, everyone. A $1,000 PlayStation 5, right? You need 30 puzzle pieces to claim it. And it has the exact same puzzle limit for every single item on the list. Now, in my view, that's completely unrealistic and pretty much can never be achieved. Let's check out the lucky spin area now. So the lucky spin area is one of these straightforward spinning wheel systems, okay? You have the spin button at the bottom of the screen there, very easy to understand. Then you have these little presents there as well, saying that if we spin to this area, we'll get a big reward. It looks like the spinning wheel also has a whole bunch of PayPal and in-game currency on it. So let's tap spin now. All right, the wheel is spinning. Let's see if we get anything of use for us. I'm hoping some sort of PayPal currency. And lucky enough, we've apparently just won $71 just like that, everyone, of PayPal currency. So let's tap on the free button. Now, usually I'm used to some advertisements appearing, so let's see if they're going to put us behind an advertisement wall to spin the wheel. By the way, our balance is now $71. Let's tap spin again. Just spinning the wheel again, let's see what comes up. Hopefully something of interest and some in-game currency. 86,000 of the coins. Let's tap free. Now, at least my coin balance has been updated. Going to tap spin again. Fingers crossed we can get some big PayPal here, hopefully, and more in-game currency. And here we go. There is the ad. So just like every single other one of these money-making apps, the advertisement prompt appeared. Now, these systems are very predictable at this point. It seems like they give you 1 or 2 free spins, and then they give you the ad straight after. So I'm going to press no thanks. But I did unlock a present, which apparently has just allowed me to earn 77 worth of the PayPal currency. I will claim that for the video's sake. Alright, so now we're sitting on 148 PayPal currency and 86,000 of the in-game currency. Let's go back to the home page. The safe on the left-hand corner of the screen is now saying I can claim it. Claiming the safe brings up some sort of a lucky gift area where you have to watch advertisements to unlock the gifts. Now, for video's sake, I'm going to watch the advertisement and open the gift. Apparently, if I watch all 4 boxes, I get a big reward. I'm only going to open the top one for today's video, because I have a feeling I know how this system works. The ad has been watched, and I only earned about 110,000 of the in-game currency. Now, I'm going to open the next one, because I really want to see if it gives us any PayPal. And there we go, everyone, $33 worth of PayPal. Let's continue on here now, shall we? Now, tapping on this cash out button brings us to the crazy cash area. This is apparently where we can earn $1,000 worth of PayPal currency. And at the bottom of the screen, you can see that you only have about 24 hours to collect it. Interesting. I'm going to start rolling the dice here and see what happens. So just tap roll, here we go. I have to say, guys, this is pretty well made. Like, for what I think this is, It actually looks pretty decent, and I'm sure you guys can agree with that as well. Alright, here we go. 4 of a kind, okay. Let's earn $38 just like that for rolling the dice. And now I have to claim it and, of course, watch an advertisement. So this is where it really starts to unravel itself straight away. But let's keep playing their game. Going to hit roll again. Pretty much it gets to the point where you're just going to keep on rolling that dice over and over again and to watch these little bobbleheads jump around. Now, I have to say, I'm shocked because usually these apps are pretty badly designed, but it looks good and I think it would have been a solid game, but it's promising real money. This is where things start to get really messy. Just got some in-game currency here. I'm going to say no to it though. We'll keep on rolling because all I'm after really is that PayPal currency at this point. It seems like you can land on nothing, by the way, so your roll pretty much goes to waste. Luckily, I just landed on something there though. Now I just won $37 and I'm going to claim that. I'll be back in a second, everyone. I'm going to watch some ads and keep rolling that dice. So this is pretty interesting. It seems I've just won a big win of in-game currency. And it seems there's even boosts available where you can actually increase the amount of rewards you get. Here it says I can triple my money for the next 3 wins. So now I've actually unlocked some puzzle pieces as well. In fact, there's about, what, 9 of them there? That's pretty intense, everyone. 1 puzzle piece for like each of the items almost, just like that for rolling a dice. There's even a slot machine element to this application if you get a full house. Look at this, everyone. 3 times right there as well, the reward. So technically, I'm about to win $303. Let's claim it now. Alright, just like that, the slot machine element is over. But look at this, everyone. It says for me to keep fever, I have to watch an advertisement. So this slot machine element just keeps on going, essentially. Like, look at this, everyone. It just keeps on spinning and spinning and spinning here. Just endless loop because I'm watching the ads, obviously. While it's supposedly giving me some PayPal currency, I'm not really complaining because I'm almost at $1,000 already somehow. Alright, the slot machine is over officially. Apparently my total win was $362. Let's tap on the PayPal currency now in the top right corner of the screen. This takes you to the same crazy cash area I showed you before. Now tapping on the in-game currency brings up another area here of cash out options. You can see you have many options available here, but sadly no PayPal for the in-game coin. But if you have a look here, $500 Google Play card, $600 Google Play card, $800 Google Play card, $1,000 Google Play card, $1,500 Google Play card, and you need millions of the in-game currency, by the way. I've been playing for about 40 minutes and I've only clocked up about 200,000 coins. Like seriously, everyone, you can imagine how many coins you need, dude, and how long it's gonna take. I'm going to try and get to 1,000 PayPal currency for you all to see what happens when we cash out the PayPal. So apparently I've just won some sort of jackpot now, everyone, for the in-game currency. So I'm going to tap claim and see what happens next. Even with that jackpot, I'm still nowhere near close to actually cashing out one of the minimum gift cards here. Alright, so something I've noticed, everyone, the closer I'm getting to that $1,000 worth of PayPal, the less and less PayPal I'm receiving from the dice game. It's starting to look like we're getting diminishing returns, ladies and gentlemen, because I keep getting $15 now over and over again. I'm at $914 now. And my mega win is only giving me $10, everyone. I've easily watched about 50 advertisements so far, by the way. This is insane. It's literally flicked the switch. At the start, it was all good. Now it's painful. All right, everyone, the time has come after another 20 advertisements. I kid you not, dude. We have $1,004 out of the $1,000 needed. Let's enter in our PayPal account. I would be very cautious about entering in any real information on these type of applications, by the way, but I'm a reviewer, so it's my job, but you guys should be very careful. And unbelievably, it puts us behind an ad wall. I kid you not. You must watch 30 videos to activate the order. And you only have 24 hours to do so. Tapping on instantly complete brings up a window stating that they have 50% off of giving your real money of up to $3.29 USD to activate the order. This is unbelievable, bro. How is Google allowing something like this? I just don't understand. It might have a nice design, but Royal Dice Party is a pathetic scam application, in my opinion, and needs to be avoided at all costs. If you actually want apps that will pay you PayPal, check out my video here and also check out my website and of course my YouTube channel. We're on the road to 100k subscribers, guys, so don't forget to leave your support. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.